So the market is red, guys, and we're losing money, right? We're losing paper money pretty much. Like all our portfolios are red, and it feels like we just, well, for me, I literally dropped from like almost like 80,000 down to 70 in one account. Yeah, like and another account is like from 63 to like 50. So was I highly in tech stocks? Absolutely, because that's what was killing it. And do I feel like I'm absolutely losing? No, not really, because I've made a lot of money on the way down. It's fine because I'm selling cash secured puts and covered calls. But of course, the value of the stock went down. So when my friends ask me, some of the people I help out with investing ask me, like, oh my God, my portfolio is so red. What should I do? I'm so down. Like, for the most part, if you're doing this correctly and you're buying and selling the stocks in the wheel strategy with, and you're using it with stocks that you want in your portfolio and you have a strong conviction in, and you believe that over time the stock is going to go up in value, you technically didn't lose money yet. And I know that's such like a childish thought. It's such a degen thought. It's like, oh, diamond hands don't sell. But that's what happens with like pullbacks. That's what happens with bear markets. And this is where, if you're DCAing in like what I'm doing, you're going to catch these lows, and then when we go back up, you're going to even have even more gains. So that's what, like, and not financial advice, but that's what I would tell a lot of people. Like, if you're not premium chasing, if you're not just trying to find that next hype stock, that next like trending stock, and you're just going for the ones that you know that you've done your research on and you feel confident in, you're going to do really well in the long term. And all these times where there's these big like 10% pullbacks where, like, what was it? They just said that we're considered a big, what's it called? What was it in my, like, what was it? NASDAQ confirms a correction, like the nightmare on Tariff Street. That's the headlines right now. So, and the VIX is at 20, almost 25, up 13%. Like, these are the times where we're going to make the most money. Like, we're going to look back like, damn, I really wish I would have bought that stock that I really liked at that huge discount. I really wish I bought Tesla at 263. I really wish I bought Palantir at 80, stuff like that. Like, even like the big ETFs, I really wish I got QQQ at 488. And which I've said in my last video that I actually do believe that we're going to go down a little bit further. I said QQQ is probably going to go down to 483, 44. And I'm sticking to that unless there's some big major reversal. Hopefully we finish the market week strong on this Friday, and then we could probably see some consolidation and maybe get a little bounce starting Monday or even at the end of the day, because that would be great for the market. It would be great for all of us. And like, I know that I have a bunch of I have a bunch of like cash secured puts that I'm probably gonna let me get assigned. I have a few with Sofi at around like $14. I know it's like trading at like 12 right now. I have some Palantir at 82 and 86. I'm cool with buying it. I'm also cool with rolling it because I don't think it's going to drop too much further. And I have some at 80. And if I do get assigned, that means it's just going to be on the covered call side anyway. And then the only way like people really lose money in this type of market is if you're like over leveraged. That's when you get margin called. That's when you just get wrecked because you weren't paying attention to the market. You weren't looking at the trend lines, and like, you weren't looking at the VIX, you weren't paying attention to the politics. And I hate going into politics, but you have to pay attention to it if you want to know what the stock market is going to do. Pay attention to it to a little bit. And this is what I want to get into. It is what it is because that's how the market is. But if you're down right now and you're still holding some of that stock that you have a strong conviction in, you could make money on the way down, and you can make money on the way up. Like, you could roll down your cover calls to a solid delta and make some money on the way down. That's what I did with my Tesla. That's what I did with my Nvidia. So I did my Sofi. Like, these are the ways you keep continually make money. Yeah, like, it's not going to be as passive because you have to look at it now. You have to figure out, oh, is the stock price actually going to hit my strike now? Most likely not. And then, or if it is, then you roll it. You roll it up and out. And that's really it. Or if you're above your cost basis, maybe let it get exercised and you sell your stocks at a profit just so you feel good about making money. Like, there's so many ways to play the game, play this money game. And like, yeah, my portfolio's done, but I'm still making money. Like that's how it is. And that's what I want to teach you, that it's just a mindset game, that while we're down now in these red markets, if you find those stocks that you have a strong conviction in, buy into some of them, or sell some puts at prices that you want to buy those stocks at, and reap the benefits if they do, because then you'll be able to do covered calls, catch your puts, covered calls, just keep wheeling and keep making money throughout the whole year. And like I said, I'm still very bullish on the year. So, and like it's only like the third month in, so I'm very bullish on the year, and I do believe we're going to finish this year out strong. So it's going to be like, we're going to have a really up and down wild ride while we're still new into Trump's presidency. And we just got to go for the ride. And along that ride, just continue making money, guys. And I know I just keep saying that. So I'm tired, and tired from work, tired from everything. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys get a little bit of peace from this, because yeah, I'm down too. And we're all down together, but let's make some money together as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.